Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on customizing your email signature in Google Docs. First, open the PDF with the link to the template and click the Access Template button. In the web browser window, click the Use Template button to get your editable copy of the signature template. To add your business logo or a professional photo, right-click the image placeholder and select Replace Image. Then choose the option where your image is placed, for example, Upload from Computer. It will automatically resize to fit. Next, let's insert the Call to Action banner. Follow the same steps as before to replace the placeholder with your desired image. Now, update your name, title, and contact details by clicking the text you want to change and typing in your information. For efficiency, I've prepared the text for easy copy-pasting into the template. For custom links, click the current email or website text, and in the context menu that appears, select Edit Link. In the modal window, edit the text to display and the actual URL, and click Apply. Moving on to social icons, right-click the placeholder, select Replace Image, then upload your images. Remember, active social icons are crucial. Right-click an icon, select Insert Link, and paste your profile's URL. This transforms every email into a networking opportunity. Congratulations! Your personalized email signature is now complete. The final step is integrating it into your email application, showcasing your professional brand with every email you send.